All right, this is how to find state test questions that have been released by the Department of Education. So you're going to go ahead and get into your course. If you haven't already made a course or logged in, go ahead and look back at the resources and you'll see how to do that. From here, we're going to click New Assessment, and we're going to browse. And we're going to reset some filters here. So we're going to do grade, 9, subject, math, standard set, Ohio math. Now it's going to say there are no assessments found in this filter. I don't know why it does that. It just starts with that. You just have to click apply filter. Once you do that, then everything shows up. Okay, so you're going to look till you see the Ohio logo. So this is what we want. So let's say we want some geometry stuff. So don't click assign, don't click preview, just click right on it, and it's going to show you the test here. So we want to create a new version, and we're just going to make a new assessment with the original set of questions. Hit proceed, and then from here what we're going to do is say like, oh, I don't like this one at all, this is no good. Just going to select that one. Let's see, we have a total of 20 questions. So I don't like that one, I don't like this one, I don't like this one. I'm just making this up. I don't like this one. We can remove as many as we wanted and cut it down to just like 2 questions if we wanted to. All right, go ahead and hit remove selected. Excuse me. All right, so now we're down to 12 questions. We could then publish this or save it for later. If you click this button, I'm going to go ahead and save it. We can publish it so it's public. We can assign it to students. So that's one way to do this. Another way to do this, we're starting back from scratch, so we're at the dashboard. We're going to click on My Test, New Assessment. We're going to do Test Math, Ohio Department of Education, Q's. Create assignment. Now we're going to filter questions. So we're going to look grade 9, mathematics, Ohio math. That's what we looked at last. And then here's where we can really isolate the standards. So we can pull it from different libraries. We can really look at multiple choice. What do we want them to do? And this is where you can start to dig deeper and apply it to specific things you want. If you're just trying to find a bank of 20 questions and do 2 questions each week so the kids are used to doing the process, do it in the method I showed you before. Ignore this method. So we're going to go ahead and we've got it filtered, and let's say we want consider the function, use the function to complete the table. Great. Do that one, do that one, and do that one. Great. So now we've got our text or our test questions. I'm going to hit the review button. Take a look at it. Q1, 2, 3. Beautiful. I love it. We're going to go ahead and save it, and then we can assign it right here. Again, you go ahead and assign it to this class, this date. Choose your information here. These advanced options are more for what do you want the kids to have? Do you want them to shuffle the order and the like the A, B, and C, so they're not all the same? But this you have to pay for. So this is all you get with the free stuff. Okay. All right. I hope that helps.